Good morning. Hold up. Boom. A boom and boom. How we doing? Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Jersey. Good morning. Daryl. I think I got it this time. Good morning, Barry, The Rock, Real Killer, Tangible Assets, Scott, Mandefro, maybe, Daniel, Elizabeth. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So, we got that pullback that we were looking for in the market, which is good. Good. So I do have bounces around 400.86, 400 and 399.14. Those are my main areas for a bounce. Told you guys about them. What was it? Saturday's video. So hopefully you guys watched Saturday's video. I said if this 408.16 was the top, then I'm going to be looking for calls at this bounce down here. So we're going to be watching that very closely. We had a butterfly swing that I think what did it go from? It went 0.67 to 3.5. Now I didn't catch that whole move. Really wish I did. But it was a beautiful SPY butterfly. So whatever that percentage is, $67 to 350, you guys could have potentially made that. That butterfly was absolutely beautiful. I'm good. Very good morning. No complaints. Hit a nice workout today. Haven't really been able to work out as hard as I would like to, but today I was finally able to, so that's good. But yeah, how's everybody's weekend? Everybody have a good weekend? Everybody relax? Guys watched the games last night? Let me tell you, that first game was pretty horrific. Until the end. The end got interesting. Big old brawl between everybody. Anyway, so if you guys could, real quick, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And I'm going to get live for everybody on TikTok real quick. Let's see. Give me a couple minutes. Just got back from Costa Rica. How was it? Let's see. Then we will start getting to the analysis for the day. Gotta move my taser because somebody commented on the taser the other day. I thought it was funny. All right, we are good to go. Good morning. Live, free pre-market watch list. One second, everybody. I know this beginning is boring. No, I already saved that. There we go. Now we're good to go. Awesome. Yes, make sure to click that like button. 275 people in here, 65 likes. Remember, if you guys do want the watch list, we're going to need 200 likes. Anyway, so hopping into the analysis, let's start with ES as always. And then let's go to this chart over here. Oh, wait, that was the same chart. What? Oh, I see what I did. Take that off. And then let's see, 21. Make this the 8 EMA. Okay, now we're good to go. Awesome. All right, let's take a look at ES. And let's start on the daily time frame. Okay, so just a basic pullback to the 8 EMA is what it looks like right now. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning. Let me move this a little bit for you. We will get to Tesla here in a minute. But just to pull back to the 8 EMA right here, definitely going to be watching this 4109.25 on the futures. We break above there. There's a high likelihood that we will see 4180. As far as some potential pullbacks today, like I said in Saturday's video, if we end up topping out right here and we start pulling back, we have a few areas that we can use for bounces. So actually today I'm going to put on the 38.2 just to see if we have some confluence. Let's see, we don't have any good bounces from that pivot low to pivot high, so we'll get rid of that. We do have this pivot high to, or pivot low to pivot high. We have 40-20 or 40-30 and 40 or 4005.5. Geez, I can't talk today. And then, okay, so I do like these bounces. We do have a little bit of confluence right here with this 40-36 and then 40-30. So I will be watching that area, but then main area after that's going to be that 40-19, 4005.5, and 3981.02. So let me get rid of that. A little bit of confluence in that area right there. Beautiful. And then, because we did have a pretty significant sell-off, I'm also going to be looking for a potential reject today. So if this were to be the bottom right here, whenever we end up bottoming out on the futures, I will be taking a fib, pivot low, pivot high, or pivot high, pivot low, and I will be watching 40.75 and 40.83. Again, it really depends if this is the bottom right here. So we'll be watching that. But yeah, again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Honestly, we're going to get rid of this. I don't like how that looks. There we go. So cool. Those are my bounces. Only if this is the bottom. Let me make sure we don't have any economic news. How's everybody doing on TikTok this morning? Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Economic calendar, Monday, January 30th. Absolutely nothing. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Good morning, David. Awesome. All right. Here's a yes. Pretty simple analysis on that one. All righty. Yes. Looking for a potential bounce. Maybe that 40-36-25. In my opinion, we got too close to it. And then bounce. So I would say it has a lower probability that we bounce. Ideally going to watch 40-19. Looking for a potential bounce, 40-19. Then 4005.5. If 40-40 is the pre-market low, I will be looking for rejects around. Watch that 1 hour 21 EMA as well. Right now that's at 40.6275. So watch that, but ideally watching 40.74. So let's see, reject around 40.74 point. We go in intervals of 25, so like 0.50 to 0.75. And then after that, 40.82.75 to 40.83. Above there, we can test. Right, it's high. Beautiful. That's pretty much it for ES. But because we did gap down a significant amount, I ideally want to look for a pop to short it. And then look to take it down into these bounces down here. So we'll see with that. Again, though, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. We got 240 people in the live stream, 111 likes. Make sure you guys run it up to 200 likes if you guys do want the watch list in the chat today. Alrighty, so SPY got pretty close to that 486. Depending on the price action, I might watch it. But ideally going to be watching like 400 to 399.14 as my main bounce area. And then if we start breaking below there, our next pivot low to pivot high is right here. So we could come down and test like 397.70 and 395.25, but just going to wait and see. If we start breaking below 399.14, then I will be watching those levels. But if 401.42 is the pre-market low, going to be looking for a reject around like that 405 area, and then 405.6. We also have the previous day's close at that level as well. So a little bit of confluence both ways. Again, watch that 403.66. That 1 hour 21 EMA could also act as a reject. Beautiful. All right, SPY bounces at, let's see, 400.86, 400, and 399.14. Higher probability bounce. Also looking for a reject between, let's see, 403, or no, 404.75 to 405. Above there, main reject is 405.59. Probability bounce. Main reject 405.59. I will also be looking for intraday setups, as always. But those are my bounces and rejects for SPY, so definitely going to be watching those. Take a look at QQQ. Yeah, Dixie's just been chilling at that bounce. It has not broke that 50% retracement, and I talked about that in Saturday's video, how important it is. So again, if we zoom out to the monthly time frame, if you guys have my newsletter, I wrote a whole newsletter on how to use Dixie to understand market sentiment. But if we take this pivot low to pivot high right here, you can see that we're just bouncing at this 50% fib on Dixie. Remember, when Dixie goes up, it's bad for SPY and QQQ. When it goes down, good for SPY and QQQ. As we can see, pretty much every major breakout on Dixie has led to the next leg down in SPY and QQQ. So yeah, SPY has been pumping recently, but Dixie has never invalidated the fib rule that I like to use. Because remember, what I like to see is I like to see us break through the fib, reclaim it. That's what validates a long, and the stop loss is below this level. As we can see, Dixie has not broke below 101.50. Now, if it were to break below 101.50, the next area it could see is 100 and then 98.97. If that were to happen with Dixie, we would probably see a pretty big rally in the market. But the fact that SPY and QQQ, they're going up when Dixie is holding this support level, one of them are bluffing. So that's why we got to be cautious going forward, do our analysis on actually all three, SPY, QQQ, and Dixie. But yeah, keep that on your radar. What were we about to look at? QQQ. Yeah, I appreciate you hopping in the live stream. Did I really delete? If I deleted my chart, I'm going to be quite upset. I think I did. Let's see. Watching that 303 area. Oh my, I did. Well, deleted all my levels for this week. That's a good way to start. All right, let's do previous high. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button in the YouTube live stream. Also, make sure to click that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:20 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 950 videos teaching you guys on how to trade for completely free. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, you are definitely missing out. 300, whole psychological resistance. And then, like I said, if we start pulling back, we have a few areas that we can look at for potential bounces. We have this pivot low to pivot high, which we would need a pretty big pullback for that. This pivot low to pivot high, and then we have this pivot low to pivot high right here. And it looks like the only good bounce I have as of now is 290 to 289.75. That's my main bounce. For QQQ, below there, higher probability bounce is going to be that 287.7. And then as far as a reject, again, if 291.87 is the pre-market low, this is a misprint right here, so ignore that wick. Looking for a reject, 295 to 295.82. Beautiful. Okay. Where did this come from? Boom. Kind of just makes sense for them to at least try to push it to 300 at this point, but we'll see. Cool. Alrighty. QQQ. How do I want to do this? QQQ. If 291.87 remains the pre-market low and price pushes to the upside, I will be looking for a reject in between 295 to 295.82. Higher probability. Above there, we will likely test Friday's high, then 300. There we go, 300. Alrighty, so we have 360 people in here. How many likes we got? 164. You guys are getting close. You guys know the goal. 200 likes. You guys get the watch list. Let's see, test Friday's high, then 300. If we break pre-market lows, I am looking for puts, and I have potential bounces at 289.72 to 290, then 287.7. Higher probability bounce. Alrighty, there's QQQ. Now let's do some individual analysis. Let's find some actual stocks. All right. Start with Apple. And then real quick, in case you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age of Technical Analysis, where I go over my entire day trading and swing trading strategy. All the indicators you see on the screen right here, plus much, much more. It's rated like a 4.8 out of 5 star, and the only bad reviews are from people who did not even buy the book, just some trolls. So there's the link right there if you guys want to check it out. And then for the people on TikTok, if you do want to check out the book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, like I said, 450 pages, make sure to check it out on Amazon. I posted it in my YouTube live stream, and I also posted it in the Discord. All right, so Apple. Let's see, we got a pivot low, pivot high right there. Still trading above those moving averages. I don't know. Not interested in Apple. Gonna ignore that one today. AMD's kind of got like a little ascending triangle going on right here. Definitely keep this one on your radar if it cracks 77.12. Come on, snap onto it. There we go. Just gonna set an alert up here. There we go. I do like that though. They might wait till earnings to break it out tomorrow. So, or we could look to short it below that trend line, but really up to you. Honestly, I prefer Nvidia over AMD any day, so we'll see about that. Amazon, I wanted to watch it come back and retest that 100 level to get long, but it already did it got too close in my opinion. So not going to watch that. It's already pumped a decent bit from there. Boeing, don't care about. BABA is down. I don't really trade BABA. But if anything, I'd probably look for like a pop to short. So not interested in that. I know crypto's down a little bit in the pre-market. 58.50 with this little 4-hour bull flag too. We might actually watch Coin today. It's pretty rare that I'll look at Coin. Then I do have swing trades for this week. We have FOMC, so it's gonna be hard to try to swing, but I will be looking. Google don't care about. Meta, not really interested in Meta. Nvidia, let's see what's up with that. We already bounced at 61.8. Deeper pullback like 193.62. Honestly, not interested in Nvidia. We looked at QQQ, and then the only other thing is Tesla. So Tesla, we talked about this a lot in the live streams. I've said that there's a good likelihood or a high likelihood that we pump up and we see like that 180 level, and look at where we're at. We're at that 170, or actually, what did we hit? We hit 180.68. Now, why did I say that? If we go to the higher time frame, this is why I always do higher time frame analysis. The weekly 21 EMA is a very, very important level for all equities, right? So look at how overextended we got from that weekly 21 EMA. The further we get away from it in the longer time period we stay away from that weekly 21 EMA, there's a good likelihood that it will go back and retest that area. Yes, you need a margin account. So looking at Tesla, we're getting pretty close to that weekly 21 EMA, which it might be a little different at the open, but as of now, it's at 183.84 is the level. So I would be interested in shorting Tesla at the weekly 21 EMA. Just, it depends if it gets up there. But it got pretty close. You know, we might watch this. Break above Friday's high, take it up to the weekly 21 EMA, or maybe even a bounce at 172.4, because market pulled back pretty hard, but Tesla held. So, relative strength. Cool. All right, pretty much the individual stocks are just Coin and Tesla. That's it. Boom. I know, I do my own thing on YouTube. I've always done it. Been on YouTube for 2 years straight, doing live streams. Almost 2 years straight. Always gonna stay on YouTube. Let's see, Coin. So we kind of got that 4-hour bull flag going. Watch this. Maybe like a retest of this support area. Right there. Yeah, I think we might watch Coin. Let me see the liquidity. Did they report earnings this week? Why are they so pricey? They don't. I don't think they do. No. Let's see where we at in the pre-market. 59.9. Maybe like contracts would be around like 300, I would say. So that's not that bad. They were at 500 on Friday. So yeah, let's watch this bull flag. Ideally, since we have a 4-hour bull flag, I would like to see a bounce around like 58.17, because typically with bull flags will bounce off the 8 EMA on whatever time frame that is. So the 8 EMA on the 4-hour, we have a 4-hour bull flag, so I'm going to be watching that 58.18 for a potential bounce. Take it back up into Friday's high. It just depends on what crypto does. So, boom. Moving averages, 8 EMA, 21 EMA. Coin, let's see. Coin, 4-hour bull flag. Looking for a continuation if crypto can get some strength. Since we are in a 4-hour bull flag, I will be watching the 4-hour 8 EMA for an entry. Below there, I like, what is that? 50, like 57.50. 57.50 to 56.50. Pause. Ideally aiming for Friday's high. Boom. All right, there's coin and then Tesla. See what we got going on. All right, so Tesla, like I said, relative strength against the overall market. Market pulled back pretty hard, but Tesla held up. A couple bounce areas, 172.38, 166.66. That's going to be the main level right there. Boom. But if we break 180.67, look to take it up into 183.84. If we break above there, then Tesla's definitely got room after that. But again, that weekly 21 EMA, that's going to be important. I know this chart's about to get really horrific, so bear with me real quick. 192.76, and then I know I have a fib level for Tesla as well. Let's see. Pivot low, pivot high. Let's see, 208. All right, so that's the weekly, and then we also have this one, but it already broke above that one. Then we have this one at 185.6 area. Boom. Cool. Yeah, that 183.84 to 185.6. That's going to be big on Tesla. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We did hit the 200 like goal, but we do have 440 people on the YouTube live stream. So if you guys want to run that up, feel free. Also, make sure to subscribe. I go live every single morning, 8:20 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 950 videos on the channel teaching you on how to trade for completely free. Also, today, I have I'm doing a beginner options trading series. So I have a video that's going to be dropping tonight on that one. It's going to literally be like a free course. So yeah, definitely make sure you guys watch those. Tesla, relative. Yeah, it's because of earnings. Relative strength compared to the market. I will be watching a few areas for bounces. But if price breaks above, let's see, 180.68, I will look for longs into 183.84 major area, then 185.6 another major area. Looking for rejects there too. We'll also be looking for rejects there. Cool. That's pretty much the watch list. That is the watch list today. That's what makes Team Bull so special. We all have different trading styles. Team Bull for life. Ford shares tumble after company slashes EV prices to compete with Tesla. Interesting. Now, Ford hardly moves, so dropped a total of 30 cents. 20 cents. Ooh, big drop. Alrighty, so today, SPY, QQQ, Coin, Tesla, those are my main watches. Let's get the flexible grid up. SPY, QQQ, Tesla, and let's see, Coin. Or we just break that bull flag. If we break the bull flag, I'll look for calls too. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Yes. Apple will keep that for market sentiment. Amazon, same thing. Market sentiment. Watch the tick. And then, yeah, that's the watch list for today. So, before I drop the watch list, again, in case you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age of Technical Analysis, where I go over my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, give you a full breakdown on all the indicators that I use, how to find support and resistance, price targets, how to use the Fibonacci's, etc. So definitely make sure you guys check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, using that link right there. Now, as far as the watch list, as I'm dropping this, remember, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything I talk about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Beautiful. Boom, boom. There's QQQ. And coin. About to catch a flight. Safe travels. Let's see. Tesla. Beautiful. That's everything I'm watching for the day. So, I guess I'll hang around for a couple more minutes, answer any questions you guys got. I don't have the Bing Bong anymore. I can't figure out how to bring it back. It's like not on my stream deck. Ever since I got a new computer, I had to redo it, and I can't figure out how to get it back on. I'll try to figure it out for you guys, though. A lot of people want the Bing Bong for some reason. I guess you guys really loved it. But yeah, so the people on TikTok, peace out. Make sure you guys are following. Also, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Again, 950 plus videos, and I go live on there every single morning. But if you guys don't subscribe on there, I will be live on here tomorrow as well. Everybody take it easy and peace out. Now, for the people on YouTube, feel free to ask any questions. I'm just going to hang out for a couple minutes. We got singing today. We going pump or dump. I really want to see those bounce areas. It's like my number one thing today. Somebody sent me a question saying, you going live this morning? Every morning. It's in the scroll up. Scroll up. I put all my bounces. Everything I'm watching in the chat. I did have a good weekend. It was relaxing. Probably just SPY and QQQ. I mean, those are the main things that I watch. It's pretty rare that I'll trade an individual stock. It just has to have a really good setup. So like today, Coin, I really like that. Tesla, I really like that. So we're going to have to wait and see what happens there. Domino's, it's been years since I've traded that. There's no liquidity. Years. Trade live every single day in Team Bull. Oh, I have no idea. I'm like the last person to ask about anything computer related. All I know is it runs fast. That's about it. Cool. Let's see what Grizzly's watching. SPY reject 403.5 to 404. I guess I'll watch that with him as well. 400 bounce. 180.7. He's watching for Tesla. Same. Cool. Cool. ThinkorSwim. That's what I use. But yeah, before I hop off, again, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning. I wish everybody the best today. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. Everybody have an amazing rest of your day.